A spicy secret for a healthier you. For centuries, ginger has been a prized ingredient in kitchens and medicine cabinets around the world. This unassuming root, with its distinct aroma and pungent taste, holds a wealth of health benefits that might surprise you. Beyond its use in spicing up dishes, ginger is a potent natural remedy packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Ready to unlock the unexpected benefits of this nutritional powerhouse? Let's dive in. Nature's powerhouse, unpacking ginger's potency. What makes ginger such a potent health booster? The answer lies in its unique bioactive compounds, particularly gingerols and shogals. These powerful antioxidants are responsible for ginger's anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Gingerols, for instance, have been found to effectively combat nausea and reduce muscle soreness. Shogals, on the other hand, exhibit strong antioxidant effects that can protect against cell damage. Ginger's immune-boosting arsenal. In today's world, maintaining a robust immune system is more important than ever. Ginger, with its potent antiviral and antibacterial properties, can be your secret weapon in the fight against infections. Studies have shown that ginger can effectively combat common cold viruses, reduce the severity of cold symptoms, and even shorten their duration. Its anti-inflammatory effects further bolster the immune system by reducing inflammation throughout the body. Beyond immunity, ginger for weight loss, pain relief, and heart health. The benefits of ginger extend far beyond immunity. This humble root, often used in cooking for its distinctive flavor, is a powerhouse of health benefits. One of the most notable benefits of ginger is its role in weight management. Studies have shown that ginger can boost metabolism, helping the body burn more calories. Additionally, it has been found to reduce appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Incorporating ginger into your meals or drinking ginger tea can be a simple yet effective way to support your weight loss journey. Ginger's potent anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural pain reliever. It's particularly effective in alleviating muscle soreness, which can be a common issue for athletes and those who engage in regular physical activity. Drinking ginger tea or using ginger supplements can help reduce inflammation and ease muscle pain, allowing for quicker recovery and improved performance. For women, ginger can be a lifesaver when it comes to menstrual cramps. Its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties can help reduce the severity of cramps, making that time of the month a little more bearable. Drinking ginger tea or taking ginger supplements during your menstrual cycle can provide significant relief. Additionally, ginger has been found to help with osteoarthritis pain. Osteoarthritis is a common condition that causes joint pain and stiffness, particularly in older adults. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help reduce pain and improve joint function, making it easier to stay active and maintain a good quality of life. Furthermore, ginger has shown promise in improving heart health. It has been found to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are major risk factors for heart disease. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you can help support your cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. This reduction in blood pressure and cholesterol levels helps in reducing the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of ginger, whether in food, tea, or supplement form, can be a simple yet effective way to support overall heart health. So the next time you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, consider adding ginger to your routine. Its wide range of benefits makes it a valuable addition to any healthy lifestyle. Ginger's beauty secrets, radiant skin, and luscious locks. Ginger, a common kitchen ingredient, is not just for spicing up your meals. It holds a treasure trove of beauty benefits that can transform your skincare and hair care routines. Believe it or not, ginger's benefits extend beyond internal health to enhance your outer beauty as well. This humble root is packed with powerful antioxidants and essential nutrients that can rejuvenate your skin and hair. Packed with antioxidants, ginger can help protect your skin from free radical damage, reducing wrinkles and promoting a youthful glow. These antioxidants work tirelessly to combat the signs of aging, ensuring your skin remains vibrant and youthful. Its antiseptic properties can help combat acne and blemishes, leaving you with clearer, healthier skin. Ginger's natural anti-inflammatory properties also soothe irritated skin, making it an excellent remedy for those with sensitive skin or conditions like rosacea. When applied to the scalp, ginger can stimulate hair growth, and strengthen hair follicles, resulting in thicker, healthier hair. The stimulating properties of ginger increase blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn nourishes the hair follicles and encourages growth. Additionally, ginger's natural oils provide deep conditioning, leaving your hair shiny and manageable. Incorporating ginger into your hair care routine can be as simple as creating a ginger hair mask. Mix fresh ginger juice with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Apply it to your scalp and let it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing. This simple treatment can work wonders for your hair's health and vitality. With regular use, you'll notice your hair becoming stronger, thicker, and more resilient. Ginger's natural compounds not only promote growth but also help in reducing hair fall and breakage, giving you the luscious locks you've always dreamed of. For your skin, consider using a ginger-infused serum or moisturizer. These products can help even out your skin tone, reduce pigmentation, and give your skin a radiant, healthy glow. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger also help in reducing puffiness and dark circles, making you look refreshed and rejuvenated. So the next time you think of ginger, remember it's not just a spice for your kitchen. It's a powerful beauty ally that can help you achieve radiant skin and luscious locks. Embrace the natural beauty secrets of ginger and let it transform your beauty routine. Everyday ginger simple hacks for maximum benefits. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine is easier than you think. Start your day with a cup of warm ginger tea, a soothing and refreshing way to enjoy its health benefits. Add grated ginger to your smoothies, stir-fries, or soups for a flavorful, healthy kick. For a quick pick-me-up, try ginger chews or candies. Remember, a little ginger goes a long way. Brew your way to health immunity-boosting ginger tea recipe. This delightful beverage is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerful ally in strengthening your immune system. This simple yet powerful ginger tea recipe is a delicious way to boost your immunity and warm up on chilly evenings. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Combined with honey and lemon, this tea becomes a potent elixir that can help ward off colds and flu. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, thinly sliced. Ginger is the star of this recipe, providing a spicy kick and numerous health benefits. Next, measure out 4 cups of water. Water is essential as it acts as the base for our tea, helping to extract the beneficial compounds from the ginger. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of honey, which is optional but highly recommended. Honey not only adds a touch of sweetness, but also has antibacterial properties that can soothe a sore throat. Finally, juice half a lemon. This is also optional, but lemon juice adds a refreshing citrus flavor and a dose of vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. Now let's get started with the preparation. Step 1. Wash and thinly slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Make sure to clean the ginger thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Step 2. Add the ginger slices to a pot with 4 cups of water. The water will help to extract the ginger's beneficial compounds as it heats up. Step 3. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. This simmering process allows the ginger to infuse the water with its spicy, aromatic flavors. Step 4. Strain the tea into a cup to remove the ginger slices. At this point, you can add honey and lemon juice to taste. Adjust the sweetness and tanginess according to your preference. Step 5. Enjoy your warm and soothing ginger tea. This tea is perfect for sipping on a cold day or whenever you feel the need for a comforting, health-boosting beverage. Not only does it taste great, but it also provides a natural way to support your immune system and overall well-being. Embrace the ginger glow, a call to action. The unexpected benefits of ginger are too good to ignore. From boosting immunity and aiding digestion to enhancing skin health and relieving pain, this versatile root is a true gift from nature. Try incorporating ginger into your daily routine with these simple tips and recipes, and experience the transformative power of this ancient remedy. Share the ginger glow with your loved ones, and together, let's embrace a healthier, happier life.